Saturday 14th of August, we're on site, see latest progress. You can see that the red roof is on. It's a bit orange looking, but that'll calm down a bit. So that's a big development. We'll see what else has been happening. You can see the patio windows in the kitchen and the living room window to the right. The kitchen's on the left. You see the black facing corrugated wall panelling is on that side. They've got cement board on the outside ready for the stone cladding to go on. That's obviously the garage there. So we'll go inside in a sec. So we're going through the front door. You can see now that the screed has been put down on top of the underfloor heating pipes. Slight problem in the kitchen. You can just see where that pipe there has come through as they put the screed down. So that's going to have to be cut out, put back, and screed put back on top. So there's a bit of rework there. But in general, the screed has been a good job. It's down and ready for the flooring. Just walking around now to see that screed round the whole of the house. Into my office. Sitting room. This will be the toilet. It'll be a wet room, in fact. And this is the utility room. The external door. So, a lot of good progress. Okay, we're in the upstairs bedroom. See progress here. Obviously the window's been left open as access to the upstairs because there's no stair built yet. But we can see internal walls going up, internal partitions into the dressing room. This will be a small dressing room. Then next door to that is the ensuite. So this will be wash hand basins and showering on this side. Then on this side is the bathroom. There'll be a bath here and toilet. Also the internal partitions between the bedrooms is up. So this is the spare room. Obviously the Velux window is to go in yet. It's the Jack and Jill bathroom. And this is the bedroom 1. So progress being made. Glad to see, quite a lot to be done yet. Stairs to go in yet, of course. And the Velux windows to go in.